Today I'm going to be walking you through step-by-step how to install a VPN on your iPhone. Let's jump in. Now, first and foremost, we need to get a VPN. So we're going to go over to our app store. And there are a lot of options out there as far as VPNs go. And most of them, if not all of them, have some mobile version or a version to go onto your iPhone or Android device and that. Now, my personal go-to and my personal favorite VPN is NordVPN. That's the one that I have an account with. And so I'm going to walk you through the process of installing NordVPN onto your phone. Just to make it easy, I'll put a link in the description so you can be able to go directly there and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. So what we're going to do is we're just going to search for NordVPN. Click on that. And it should be the first one that pops up. There's the app there. Click on Get. And once that finishes, you can click on Open. And here it's saying a little bit about their privacy structure. You accept. And then it's going to automatically pop up and ask you to sign up if you don't already have an account, or log in if you do have an account. Now, in my case, I do have an account, so we're just going to tap on Log In. And if you don't, you can use the link in the description to go and sign up for an account and then use that username and password to log in. And then from here, we're just going to add in our email address and our password. And then it'll redirect you back to the app. And here they just want to get to know a little bit more about you. You can either skip this question or to help get the best version of it, I'm just going to say for daily privacy and security. And then you could turn on notifications if there's a privacy alert or security tips, new offers, anything like that. I leave that up to you if you want to turn that on or leave that off. I'm just going to say skip. And then you have the option here for peace of mind to keep NordVPN always on, which I would recommend. So you click on Secure My Connection. And it's going to say that it's going to need your permission for this. And then it's going to pop up and asking if it has permission for VPN configuration. You want to say allow. It's going to ask you for your passcode to make sure that you are authorizing this. And then it is connecting. Threat protection is on. Click yay. And it's that simple. You're set up. You can see that we're connected to a server in the United States. You can switch that right through here to any other country that you want to connect to. You could pause your connection for 5 minutes or for resume the connection, all from within there. And then when you close that out, it'll be running in the background to make sure that you're securely connected to your VPN. So I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.